Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome to El Smart Investor channel. So today I'll be talking about a company that has been blowing expectations this year, and I'll let you know if I'm purchasing now. The company is Salesforce with ticker symbol CRM. I'll do a quick overview of the company's profile, numbers, technical analysis, and wrap it up with my gameplay. So now, for those who are new to the channel, I'm a corporate professional, stock investor, real estate investor, and a passionate PC gamer. I now also do YouTube videos to share my knowledge and personal thoughts on investments, but most importantly, to share my passion with like minds like yourselves. That being said, please smash that like button if you like the content, and also subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified each time that I do a video. So now let's do this. So now about the company's profile. Before I do so, I want to let you know why I picked this company and why I think it's going to do tremendously well in the future. There's three industries that I believe firmly in and that I'm heavily invested in. The first one is, of course, the cloud and software companies such as CRM and actually the Salesforce company, right? So the second one, the chip makers, and the third one is the AI, artificial intelligence. So the combination of all three for me is a great winner. We're going to make tons of profits in this industry moving forward. The growth is amazing. The investment is amazing. I said already, I'm a corporate guy. So I see a lot of movements in the markets and purchasing and transitioning that I think firmly Salesforce is well placed. And especially with the acquisition of Slack, which I'm a believer that it's actually going to be a great investor. Salesforce is a monster of acquisitions and they do things in leadership, vision. They're great at that. And I'm going to keep believing into Salesforce. That being said, let's get more into details. So Salesforce, guys, I mean, the monster acquisition of that, they are the exception of the world where when they make acquisition, it actually works. They got mojo, guys. So the Salesforce is the number one CRM software provider worldwide by revenue for 7 consecutive years. Their growth, I mean, it's amazing. It went from $8.4 billion in 2017 to $17.1 billion into 2020. The fastest growing top 5 enterprises, so that's a year-on-year growth of 29%. A few words here that they mention: world's best workplace, future 50 top 10 by Fortune, world's most innovative companies change the world list Fortune. I mean, this is great, guys. They got great rewards here, but also great expansion as well as growth. So I like that. All right, guys. So now about their financials. So their growth revenue was $5.42 billion. That's 20% up year on year. Cash flow was $0.34 billion. That's up 14% year on year. Their guidance now for the next fiscal year that they have, revenue growth they expect is 21% year on year. With the acquisition of Slack, that's definitely going to be an amazing one. It's going to be a tremendous expense, but I think great investment. It's a beast. For 2021 revenue, they actually reviewed this and increased it to $21.11 billion. So that's approximately 23% year on year growth. For the quarter four revenue, they expect 17% year on year growth. So, guys, overall, I'm amazed by this. I'm really looking forward for this. Great news. All right, guys. So now about the technical analysis. So Salesforce finished on Friday at $222.42. That's down of 0.22%. Their PE ratio at the current moment is 57.65. You know, it's high, but you know it is a technology company. EPS 3.86. All right, so let's look at their technical analysis. So before COVID-19 hit, they were on $193. They fell in March at lowest as $124, and since then they've been on an uptrend. It's beautiful to see for sure. Their highest point got reached out at 282 level, and they actually went down right after. So they've been consolidating since, but unfortunately, because of the Slack news, a lot of people said, well, you know what, I'm jumping off this boat. I'm not believing into this acquisition, which is a dip side for me. So definitely I'm happy about that, but it fell down to $220. So since then, it's been consolidating. All right, guys, so let's take a closer look here at the support level of $220. It's been bouncing once, twice, and 3 times here. So this is looking good so far, but let's see it next week. There's two possibilities here, right? Upwards or downwards. Personally, by the way, because of these 3 bounces here, I added a small position here size for the first time into this company, and I'm definitely looking for dip sides if it goes at the next support level, which is at $207 more or less. And if that fails, the next support level would be at $191. So definitely if it goes to this support level right here, then I will be adding a second amount of money, which should be a small size. But definitely if it falls and it breaks down, I would definitely add a medium size amount at this point, as this company will do tremendously well, I think. So these are the buy zones for me. As it is right now, it's already a dip into this company, I believe, because look at this, from $220 to all the way up to $282. That's a nice gain here on top of what I think they can actually do upwards as well. So now let's look at the resistance level, which we should be on notice. So if they want to gain back up, they'll need to come and consolidate here, which I'm hope this happens on Monday, a lot of consolidation upwards, and then boost and realize to break this wall of $246, which is the next resistance level. And if that breaks, I would like to see other consolidation and then rally up and break the second resistance level of $257. The next one is at $264. And this is a crucial one, guys, because then the next wall, which we really want to see break, is the highest peak at $282-ish, and that will be new highs at that point moving forward. I think CRM, definitely this company can do very well. It can go $285 level to $320. Definitely could hit that. So definitely this is my thoughts. I would like to hear you. Do you like the presentation about this company? Do you like this pick? What do you think about the industry that I've made, the three industries? Which one do you like the most? Which one you would like to for me to talk more about? Any companies do you have in mind? Leave your thoughts here below, please, and smash that like button if you like the content today. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And on that note, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.